Yeah, good day, my people. This is Paul from Mr. Paul Web Design Agency. I want to share this new PocketOption clone. This is their 2024 design. Although we've done this same design before, I think that was 3 to 4 years ago. But they've changed design. Now we also have to update our own. So let me show you the new features. There is one important features I want to share with you guys on this new version. You can now manipulate the trade to win or to lose. So that means you can now decide if the user is going to win every trade or if the user is going to lose every trade. So let me show you how that works. So currently this is the dashboard, and before I show you the win or trade, you can now trade stock on the user dashboard. So this is the stock, and you can see the symbols, they are just stock. It is not mixed with crypto. And once you choose one symbol, the chart is going to change. Now it is Canadian dollar versus US dollar. If I change it now to Hong Kong to US to Australian dollars, as you can see, I can also change to euro to US dollar. So that's how that works. And also the crypto, we have a lot of crypto pairs to trade. So everything, so you're going to get the live market price instantly. So let's go to the user dashboard, to the admin dashboard, sorry. From this admin dashboard, you can select here the win and the trade, the win and the loss. So now let me put it to loss. Okay, I think it's so now. So I'll put it to loss. So any trade you trade right now is going to loss on this account. So now let me just trade this directly. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is my last trade, and it said trade loss. So if I go back to the admin dashboard now and place it on win, and I update it, now it's now on win, as you can see the status here. So let me reload the website. Okay, so let me trade this, and it's going to win. So as you can see, it's going to win. So that is how it works. So I've already won the trade. So now there is another update that I added, is the withdrawal. So if you want to withdraw money from your account, it's going to require an OTP code. So the OTP, without the OTP code now, you cannot make any withdrawal. It's not possible. You can't make any withdrawal. So this is the OTP code, and it is automatically generated once a user has created an account. So the OTP code is different from other users. And you can also, maybe you've already gave your customer this current OTP code, and you want to change it, you can change it and save it. So let me copy this OTP, then validate. So now you can now make your withdrawal. That is how the OTP works. And let's check the deposits. The deposit page looks fine and more better. The deposit page is very beautiful. So this is the deposit. So you can deposit with up to 6 to 7 payment gateway in cryptocurrency. So that is how that works, and I'm going to upload another video of the mobile version. It actually looks like a mobile app. It's very beautiful, you can't miss this. So if you need this, just contact me and then I will. So if you need this, just contact me and then I will set it up for you. So thank you.